Facebook, YouTube, right here at Cleaning. We are in Columbia, Illinois. This was a referral. We were doing an HVAC cleaning. And what we're doing now, we got Bridget doing the supplies. We already were upstairs. And now we're doing the main area. And we're getting ready to do the return cavity, which you guys can see. Look at that. We're gonna go down in there and get all that cleaned out. Get it back to original state so they can breathe healthier indoor air quality. So then we're going to go downstairs, do the main trunk lines, and get that cleaned up as well. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching. And if you need the service, reach out to us, 𝐬𝐿.com. All right, guys, if you have kids or dogs or haven't had your HVAC cleaned in at least 7 years or had any kind of remodeling done, we do recommend HVAC cleaning and sanitation. That's what we're doing here in Columbia, Illinois. As you can see, we opened up the return. This actually sucks all the air in. And then, of course, it builds up. It goes into your main trunk. And then a lot of times gets through your filter, your regular coil, and goes into your supply. Then you're breathing all this stuff in, guys. So if you haven't had it done, this is a good indicator you need it done. Give us a call, 𝐬𝐿.com. All right, guys, we're cleaning it out now. Stay tuned. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, everybody online, Instagram, Google, Facebook, TikTok. Check it out, guys. This is why you need your HVAC cleaned to breathe better air quality. 𝐬𝐿.com. All right, guys, check it out. See down in there? Wow. Stay tuned. All right, guys. All looks well. Bam. Bam. Guys, this is the second HVAC job of the day that we're doing. It is Wednesday, which is what we're doing here. We got this inside wall cavity that we're doing. You guys can see typical kind of debris. We get that cleaned out. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Today is Wednesday. Believe it or not, it's the 29th of May, and we are in Millstown, Illinois today. We're doing an HVAC job. It's the second one of the day we're doing, and we're taking care of this home, getting it cleaned up. They just had their HVAC system installed by a company that we always refer. And we're cleaning the duct system now for them and the main trunk lines. As you guys can see, just getting all that filth filled up, as you guys can see there, out of the way. And of course, we're doing the main area, and then we're going downstairs and do the main trunk lines in their basement, the return and their supply, and then clean up all the buildup, get it back to the original condition, and then we are going to sanitize it. So, all right, guys, that's what we're doing today. We got the trusty dusty brush beast by Roto Brush with us. And we got Bridget on the scene. She's actually extracting all the supplies out now for me. We're gonna get down in there and get all this stuff cleaned out. Again, if you guys need the service, reach out to us. We got you covered at 𝐬𝐿.com, and get on the schedule. You can also click the Book Now tab on the website at the very top right hand corner, and then fill that information out, and someone will get back with you promptly and get you on our schedule. So that's what we're doing, guys. Our system is all inclusive. We clean everything out, but sanitize it for one price basically, and got you going. So also as an add-on, if you guys do any other service with us, we do give you a combo discount. Otherwise, as a one-off, we still take care of you and get it back to original condition. But stay tuned for results, and as always, thanks for watching. About to go down. Let's get ready to rumble. Here's a little bit of stuff we got out. Look at that, guys. That's just in the supply.
Yes, yes.
Stay tuned. All right, guys. We're in the return of the main trunk line. As you can see, definitely needs some attention. And stay tuned. All right, guys. All clean. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some other results. And as always, hit the bell, like, and subscribe.